Hey guys, and welcome to Zonos Crypto. In this video we will take a look at the latest news about Bitcoin, Nigeria, Bitcoin whales, another lender who got frozen withdrawals, and also many more today. Okay, then let's get right into the market watch. Bitcoin is coming in at almost 24,000, Ethereum over 750, BNB at 324, XRP almost at $38, Cardano over $53, Solana over $42, Polkadot over $9, Doge almost at 7 cents, Avalanche almost at $29, and Polygon at $92. The largest gainers in the last 24 hours are the Graph with 17%, Flow with 13.6%, Stellar with 11%, and Chainlink with 10%. The largest losers are Decred with 7%, Elrond with 3%, Theta with 2%, and Tezos with 2%. This to the market watch. And now let's get into the first news of today. Bitcoin Core contributor urges Maximalists to take a different route. Matt Corallo urged the Bitcoin community to drop the us versus them culture, which leads to attacking projects other than BTC. There was once a time when BTC was the only crypto project that was not a scam, and advocating for only BTC made perfect sense. In a Twitter thread, Matt Corallo, who contributed to the Bitcoin Core, pointed out to the community that at the moment, instead of BTC proponents advocating why Bitcoin is unique and remarkable, they are spending time attacking other projects. The fuck? Bitcoin maximalists only have BTC in their mind. That is correct. Still, to some extent, it does not make any sense to only see BTC as the literally only solution. It is not. There are many other out there, Ethereum, Cardano, and so on and so forth. Maximalists are too narrowed. Nigeria becomes the most crypto-obsessed nation after the April crash. The Google Trends data for the popular search terms in 15 countries showed that Ethereum searches outscored Bitcoin in 14 of them. The following two Google Trend charts show the data for investing in crypto searches in Nigeria compared to the world. The search density for the term has seen similar interest rates after the April downfall in Nigeria, while the worldwide search density has seen a constant decline in comparison. Here you can see the downfall was in May and then here in July, whereas in May the search term got up over in the whole world and then declined even more, and now we're at the same level at about 50. As Cointelegraph reported in April, nearly 17.36 million or 52% of Nigerian crypto investors have allocated over half of their assets to cryptocurrencies. Nigerians started using crypto as a viable alternative to store and transfer assets. Wonderful to see that another country is taking crypto seriously and also is adopting cryptocurrency more and more. Nice. How Bitcoin whales make a splash in markets and move prices. Are the whales selling in this bear market? A deep dive into the on-chain data of whales. In the cases of Bitcoin, someone can be considered a whale if they hold over 1,000 BTC, and there are less than 2,500 of them out there. While many associate the term whale with some lucky early adopters of Bitcoin, not all whales are the same. Indeed, there are several different categories. The exchanges, then second the institutions and also corporations like Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy or Elon Musk with Tesla, then individuals who bought Bitcoin at an early age or at an early time, wrapped the BTC, and also Satoshi Nakamoto, who holds the most Bitcoin than from all of the Bitcoin adopters, about 1 million in his own wallet. Damn. Here you can see the estimated distribution of Bitcoin across network entities over time. In the beginning, only miners were here, then slowly the exchanges started to ramp up. The humpbacks also declined a little bit, whereas the whales grew, and then even more people got into Bitcoin, and now we are at this allocation. The sell wall. Sometimes a whale puts up a massive order to sell a huge chunk of the Bitcoin. They keep the price lower than other sell orders, That causes volatility, resulting in the general reduction of the real-time prices of Bitcoin. This is followed by a chain reaction where people panic and start selling their Bitcoin at a cheaper price. All in all, this is how whales manipulate the market. Hodlnaut becomes latest crypto lender to freeze withdrawals. The Singapore-based cryptocurrency lender Hodlnaut has halted customer withdrawals and ceased all operations, citing recent market conditions. It all starts with a withdrawal freeze, you know? What are the key takeaways? Hodlnaut is the latest cryptocurrency lender to halt withdrawals and operations, citing the market conditions. The firm has also withdrawn its application for a digital payment token license before the Monetary Authority of Singapore, indicating it likely plans to stop operating for good. Hodlnaut previously disclosed that it held around 500 million in assets under management prior to halting withdrawals. They're as good as insolvent. Fuck. Next news. XRP price analysis. Ripple eyes $40, but will bears propel another drop? The crypto market is in the green today. XRP has experienced a price increase along with the largest cryptocurrencies. However, the bearish trend will not be reversed until the price breaks out of the 3-month consolidation. XRP has technically formed a bullish structure in the last 50 days. This structure is confirmed by the formation of higher highs and higher lows. Even so, the price is still flirting below the key resistance zone in white. This zone is in the range of $41 to $47. Here the resistance zone, we are still below it, trying to hit it. We hit it once here, it then got back down. We could hit it again, get back down, or we could go above and then turn this resistance line, $41 into support. Let's see what will happen. Justin Sun's plan to support an Ethereum fork isn't going well. Despite Justin Sun's claims of strong community demand, the proposed proof-of-work version of Ethereum seems to have failed to gain significant traction on its first day of listing on Poloniex. The key takeaways are: the Justin Sun endorsed planned Ethereum fork, dubbed Ethereum proof-of-work, is seeing bleak interest among investors on its first day of trading. ETHW has recorded only 3.6 million in trading volume across all 3 pairs on the Sun-backed Poloniex exchange. As things currently stand, only a few miners and smaller crypto exchanges support the fork, with most of the Ethereum community opposing it. Yeah, sucks Justin Sun, huh? Vitalik says, Layer 2 scaling will make crypto payments make sense again. He pointed to solid work happening with rollups at the moment, such as Optimism's Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which has worked to get the size and cost of data and blockchain transactions down by introducing 0-byte compression. So today, with rollups, transaction fees are generally somewhere between 25 and sometimes 10 cents, and in the future with rollups, with all of the improvements to efficiency that I talked about, the transaction costs could go down to 5 or even maybe as low as 2 cents. So much cheaper, much more affordable, and a complete game changer. Vitalik also says, it's a vision that has been, I think, forgotten a little bit, and I think one of the reasons why it has been forgotten is basically because it got priced out of the market. This too, his statement. By the way, if you think the video was useful to you right now and you've learned something new today, then please leave a like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. Then, to the next news. Crypto.com expands into South Korea via 2 new acquisitions. Seeing the future in crypto markets, Crypto.com recently unveiled an acquisition plan for expanding to South Korea. As many industry players look to recover from hefty losses, Crypto.com is turning to greener pastures in South Korea. On Monday, the Singapore-based crypto platform announced the acquisition of PNLink Co. and OKBit Co., a payment provider and a digital asset exchange respectively. Eric Anziani tweeted, "Today we announced that we have secured both payment and crypto registrations in South Korea, one of the most advanced crypto market globally," says the COO of Crypto.com. The crypto platform has been on quite a world tour of late. In July, Crypto.com received regulatory approval from 2 European nations, Italy and Cyprus. as the platform looks to expand into Europe. Crypto.com is expanding even more, which is bullish for me to think about it, that it will survive the bear market and be there for the next run-up in 2024 May, when the halving is happening. Now to the last news of today. Crypto mixing service Tornado Cash blacklisted by US Treasury. The department barred its use by US persons as a matter of national security because North Korean hackers allegedly used the mixer to launder stolen crypto funds. The Treasury Department has banned all Americans from using the centralized crypto mixing service Tornado Cash. Tornado Cash has been a key tool for the Lazarus Group, a North Korean hacking group tied to the 625 million March hack of Axie Infinity's Ronin network, according to the Treasury Department. Blockchain analysis showed that tens of millions of dollars worth of crypto stolen from Ronin flowed through Tornado Cash, which is designed to obfuscate the source of funds. OFAC previously sanctioned Blender.io, another mixing service that the Treasury Department alleged was used to launder proceeds from ransomware attacks, as well as about 20.5 million in crypto stolen from Ronin. Since its creation back in 2019, Tornado Cash has reportedly laundered more than 7 billion worth of virtual currency. Yep, the scams and also laundering does not stop. Okay, these were the news of today. If you think it was interesting, funny and or useful, then please leave a like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss anything in the future. By the way, if you're here, click on another video. The news are always nice. I wish you a wonderful day and also stay safe out there. We'll see us tomorrow. Peace.